Hi, Brookie. Is this the bear? Oh, is this Heidi's bear? Oh, it's gonna give Brookie a kissy. Maybe another kissy? Mwah! 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 Should I give Heidi a kissy? Mwah! Oh, maybe I'll give Brookie a kissy. Hi, Brookie. Hi, gorgeous. You gonna talk for us tonight? Yeah. I love you. I love you, Brooklyn. I do. And we love Heidi. And the bear wants to give lots of kisses.
A teddy.
Was that your teddy? Whoa! Is he a big giant? Okay. Yeah. You say Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas, bear. Okay. Merry Christmas. We'll see you soon. Bye.